So, good day everyone. I am Teacher Harvin and I'll be your teacher for today. So, before we start, let's have a prayer first. As Mr. Revlora, can you lead the prayer? As we gather to discuss today, guide us with an open minds and respectful hearts. Help us to truly listen to one another and to seek understand to our discussion. May we find common ground and reach solution that benefit all. Amen. So, good morning, everyone. So, before we proceed, so let's have an attendance first. So, before that, let's have our classroom rules. So, be respectful, listen, and be attentive to our class discussion, and raise your hand if you want to answer. So, for our motivation, our mechanics for today is all you need to do is to guess what picture it is. And doon din natin makikita kung ano yung pag-aaralan natin. So, let's have first Mr. Dalion. Okay, thank you. Yes, it's a basic techniques. So here, before that, here's our objectives for our lesson today. Identify different types of basic techniques used in dessert production. Explain the different types of basic dessert preparation techniques and the value of and the importance of basic techniques and in preparation of dessert. So, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have an activity. So, here's the mechanics. I will group you into three groups, and each representative will pick a topic here in the box. And you will explain it in front. Yung explain nyo lang kung ano yung give some insight to your topic. So, let's proceed. So, let's proceed to our discussion. So, basic dessert preparation. When we say basic dessert preparation, ito yung mga techniques na ating kailangan gawin sa ating pag-bake, sa ating mga paggagawa ng ating dough, ng ating mga wet dry ingredients. So, to form it into their desire, to achieve the desire. So, to achieve the desired consistency. So, let's have first the introduction. The following are some of the basic techniques used in dessert production. In this lesson, the basic techniques are grouped into the following classification, which is mixing techniques, wet cooking methods, and fruit preparation techniques. So, let's proceed to our topic 1, mixing techniques. So mixing techniques. These are the methods of combining two or more ingredients to form a mixture. This may include manual work using hand tools or mechanical processing using mixers or and blenders. So, dito sa mixing techniques, ito yung pinagko-combine natin yung one or more, two or more ingredients, which is halimbawa sa dough, 'di ba? Marami tayong pinaghahalo-halo at ang isang example na natin diyan is blending. Here's the basic techniques used in food production. Blending. Blending is defined as the process of combining two or more ingredients to form a uniform mixture. This may involve the use of a blender or a mixer. So, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung ginagamitan na natin ng blender, yung nagmi-mix tayo ng iba't ibang ingredients into to achieve the desired consistency of our dough, or kahit um, our, what do you call this, the butter, not the butter na hindi yung butter na nagagamit natin sa pag ano, sa pag, yung butter siya para yung dough na malabnaw. So next is beating. Beating is the application of force to have an even mixture or an air incorporated with air. So itong aerate, yun yung pag-incorporate ng air into our mixtures. So beating is also known as whisking or whipping. This method may also involve the use of electrical mechanism. So one of example of this is mix yung itlog, yung pagbabati ng itlog. So yun ang isa sa example ng ating beating. So next, folding is procedure of gently mixing an item into another. These are recipes wherein folding requires ingredients to be whipped first as intention preparing a saffo. So dito sa folding, dito yung pagfo-fold ng ating mga dough. Yun, habang minimix natin sila. Ano yung cut, parang cut and fold. Ganon. So next is churning, is the process of mixing a liquid or a mixture until the desired consistency is attained. So ito na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung ating butter na malabnaw. Yung hindi yung butter na ano to, yung classic butter. Ito yung dough na malabnaw sa churning. So here's our topic 2, wet cooking methods. So when we say wet cooking methods, ito yung mga basa na ating niluluto. This includes cooking techniques which involve the use of water or steam. Yung mga halimbawa yung pagbo-boiled natin ng egg, pagbo-boiled natin ng iba't ibang yung mga sabaw. So here's these cooking methods may include the boiling. Yun, sabi ko na nga kanina, boiling is the application of heat to an ingredient by submerging it completely into a liquid at 100% Celsius. Steaming, yung pag-steam ng ating mga buns. Yung halimbawa na lang nito ay siomai or siopaw. Sa poaching naman is yung egg. Yan. So, sa topic 3, fruit preparation techniques. Aside from selecting quality fruits, proper preparation is required in order to ensure that fruits will be served. So, hindi lang tayo basta nagpe-prepare ng mga ingredients. Also, dapat nagpe-prepare din tayo. Alam din natin yung mga techniques sa ating pag-prepare ng ating fruits. So, here, the following are common procedure for preparing fruits. So, first is paring, done to remove the skin or firm fruits such as apples and pears. Ito naman yung pagbabalat natin ng ating mga apples and pears. Sa peeling, the process of removing the skin of soft flesh fruits. So, ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng paring at peeling? Sa paring kasi, siya yung mga pagbabalat ng ating mga prutas na matitigas, na hindi siya kayang gamitan ng kamay lang. Sa peeling naman, ang halimbawa na lang dito is mango, na kahit hindi na tayo gumamit ng yung mango na hinog ha. Kahit hindi na tayo gumamit ng knife, is nababalatan natin siya nababalatan pa rin natin sila. And also, ang isa pang example niyan is kamatis. Yan, 'di ba ang kamatis kapag malambot na, nababalatan na siya. At saka yung mga iniihaw tapos nababalatan. Yun yan. So, coring, the method of removing the seed at the center of a firm fruit. Ito yung ginagamitan naman nung yung pang tanggal ng seed, yung pang seeding. Ayun, seeding. Sa mga matitigas naman ito na fruits or vegetables. So, slicing. Yan, yung mga pagkat ng ating mga fruits or mga vegetables. Slicing ang tawag doon sa pagkakat. Sa kahit iba't ibang shapes niya sa slicing. Sa seeding, ito yung sinasabi ko. So, ano nga ba pinagkaiba ng coring at seeding? Ang coring nga ay, sabi ko nga kanina, yung sa mga matitigas na vegetables, na fruits. Dito sa seeding is ang halimbawa na lang nito is ubas. 'Di ba? Sa ubas, pagkabukas pa lang natin, nakikita natin na agad yung fruits. So, soft flesh fruits. So, may naintindihan ba, class? Okay. So, before we proceed to our icebreaker, kung talaga nakinig, so let's have our icebreaker. So, Miss Dapple, can you answer our first icebreaker? So, what are the different types of wet cooking methods? Okay, thank you, Miss Dapple. Mm, Miss Lopez, can you answer it? It is done by removing the skin or firm fruits such as apples and pears. Okay, thank you. Yes, it is pairing. It is defined as the process of combining two or more ingredients to form a uniform mixture. Yes, Miss Olivar. Yes, that is. Yes, thank you. Yes, Miss Aldero. Okay, thank you. So now that we are done for our, thank you for your attention. So for our quiz, here's our quiz. In a one-fourth sheet of paper, you have to answer this. 1 to 10 lang naman to. So, you have 10 minutes. So, okay class, can you pass your paper and I will check it later. So, thank you. I hope you learned a lot. So, again, I'm teacher Harleen and thank you for your cooperation.